Now the next example is, if tan x is equal to 5 upon 6 and tan y is equal to 1 upon 11, then show that x plus y is equal to pi by 4. नाउ आपल्याला ह्या क्वेश्चनचं सोल्युशन फाइंड करायचं आहे. सो आपल्याला काय दिलं आहे अगोदर, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल राईट डाऊन गिवन थिंग्स. ओके, फर्स्ट काय दिलं आहे, इफ टॅन एक्स इज इक्वल टू 5 अपॉन 6, दॅट मीन्स टॅन एक्सची व्हॅल्यू काय असणार आहे, 5 अपॉन 6. ठीक आहे. देन अजून काय दिलं आहे, टॅन वाय दॅट इज इक्वल टू 1 अपॉन 11. ओके, आणि आपल्याला शो काय करायचं आहे, एक्स प्लस वाय ह्याची व्हॅल्यू काय यायला पाहिजे, पाय बाय 4. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ज्या गिवन थिंग्स आहेत याच्यावरनं आपण काय फाइंड करणार, किंवा याच्यावरती इनव्हर्स ट्रिग्नोमेट्रीची डेफिनेशन अप्लाय करा. ओके, इनव्हर्स ट्रिग्नोमेट्रीची डेफिनेशन टॅनसाठी काय सांगता येईल, इफ टॅन थिटा इज इक्वल टू एक्स देन दिस इम्प्लाइज व्हॉट, थिटा इज इक्वल टू टॅन इनव्हर्स एक्स. ओके, सो इथं काय सांगता येईल, आता थिटाची व्हॅल्यू इथं एक्स आहे. सो टॅन एक्स इज इक्वल टू 5/6 दिलं आहे. सो एक्स इज इक्वल टू काय येईल, हा जो टॅन आहे तो राईट साईडला शिफ्ट होताना इनव्हर्स होईल. सो एक्स इज इक्वल टू टॅन इनव्हर्स 5/6. ओके, सिमिलरली हेअर व्हॅल्यू ऑफ वाय दॅट इज इक्वल टू अगेन टॅन इनव्हर्स 1/11. ओके, आणि आपल्याला आता एक्स अँड वायच्या व्हॅल्यू माहीत झाल्यात. सो यू कॅन फाइंड एक्स प्लस वाय. सो देअर फॉर x plus y, okay, we can write first of all to show what we have to show, x plus y is equal to pi by 4. So consider left hand side, that is LHS, and that gives x plus y. Okay, now okay, LHS is x plus y, that is equal to value of x is tan inverse 5/6. So here tan inverse 5/6, okay, plus value of y is again tan inverse 1/11. Okay, and we know that the formula for tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. Okay, what is formula for tan inverse x plus tan inverse y? Tan inverse x plus tan inverse y, that is equal to tan inverse of x plus y upon 1 minus xy. So that gives tan inverse of x plus y. Okay, so value of x is 5/6. That means tan inverse of 5/6 plus 1/11, and upon in denominator 1 minus xy. Xy means 5/6 into 1/11. Okay, so that gives tan inverse of, okay, first of all do cross multiplication in numerator. So 5 into 11, that is 55, plus 6 into 1, that is 6, upon 6 into 11, so again 66. Okay, and upon 1 minus, okay, 1 minus here 5/6 into 1/11, that means 5 into 1 is 5, upon 6 into 11 is 66. So that is equal to tan inverse 55 plus 6, 55 plus 6, that means 61. Okay, so not 61, okay, yes, 61 upon 66, and divide by 1 minus 5/66. First of all do cross multiplication in denominator. Okay, so 66 into 1, that is 66, minus 5 into 1, that is 5, and upon 66 into 1 is 66. Okay, 66 get cancelled, and that is equal to tan inverse, in numerator only 61 remains, upon as well as in denominator also 61 remains. 61 get again cancelled, so that gives tan inverse of 1. And what is value of tan inverse 1? We know that the tan pi by 4, that is equal to 1. Okay, tan 45 degree is 1, so therefore tan inverse 1 is pi by 4 or 45. Okay, and this is our right hand side. Okay, Now next example, prove that tan inverse 1 plus tan inverse 2 plus tan inverse 3 is equal to pi. Okay, so solution, consider left hand side, and left hand side is tan inverse 1 plus tan inverse 2 plus third term is tan inverse 3. Okay, now we have given three terms. Okay, and we have formula for tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. So first of all, consider these two terms. Okay, so tan inverse, use here tan inverse x plus tan inverse y formula. And what is formula for tan inverse x plus tan inverse y? Okay, now first of all, we have formula. Okay, formula is tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is equal to, we have two formulas for this. Okay, first case is if multiplication of x and y, okay, multiplication of x and y is less than 1, then use first formula, that is tan inverse of x plus y upon 1 minus xy. And if xy multiplication of x and y is greater than 0, then use this formula, that is tan inverse of x plus y upon 1 minus xy plus pi. Okay, so here you can check, value of x is 1, value of y is 2. So multiplication of 1 and 2, that is xy, is 1 into 2, that is 2, that means greater than 0. So we have to use second formula. Okay, so therefore left hand side gives, okay, I can write again that left hand side, that is tan inverse 1 plus tan inverse 2, okay, and plus last term is tan inverse 3. Okay, now that is equal to, which formula is there? Second formula. So tan inverse of x plus y, that means 1 plus 2. So 1 plus 2 upon 1 minus xy. So 1 minus xy, xy means 1 into 2, that is 2, and plus pi. Okay, this formula. And also this is tan inverse of 3 as it is. Okay, plus tan inverse of 3, that is equal to tan inverse of, now 1 plus 2, 1 plus 2 is 3 upon 1 minus 2, 1 minus 2 is minus 1, now plus pi, plus last term is tan inverse 3, that is equal to tan inverse of 3 upon minus 1, that means tan inverse of minus 3 plus pi plus tan inverse 3. Okay, that is equal to, now tan inverse of minus 3, we know that the formula for tan inverse of minus x, and that is equal to tan inverse of minus x is minus tan inverse of x. So tan inverse of minus 3 is minus tan inverse of 3. Okay, plus pi and plus last term tan inverse 3, minus tan inverse 3 plus tan inverse 3 get cancelled. So only middle term, that is only pi is remaining, and which is our right hand side. Okay, so this is solution of this example. Okay, now next example, prove that cos inverse 4 upon 5 plus tan inverse 3 upon 5 and is equal to tan inverse of 27 upon 11. Okay, now again we have to show that means left hand side is equal to right hand side. So again solution, consider left hand side. So before that आपल्याला इथं काय शो करायचं आहे की cos इनवर्स 4 अपॉन 5 प्लस tan इनवर्स 3 अपॉन 5 याची व्हॅल्यू काय आली पाहिजे, tan इनवर्स ऑफ 27 अपॉन 11. आपण याच्या अगोदर फॉर्म्युला बघितला आहे tan इनवर्स x प्लस tan इनवर्स y साठीचा. ओके, पण आता आपल्याकडे इथं कॉस इनवर्सची टर्म आली. सो आपल्याला फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल काय करायला पाहिजे, ही जी कॉस इनवर्सची टर्म आहे हिचं कन्वर्जन टॅनमध्ये करायचं आहे. ओके, कॉसचं कन्वर्जन टॅनमध्ये. सो ते कन्वर्जन कसं करायचं बघा. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हॅव टू कन्वर्ट कॉस इनवर्स ऑफ 4 अपॉन 5 इन टर्म्स ऑफ टॅन इनवर्स. ओके, सो फॉर दिस लेट, ओके, जी वेगळी टर्म असेल, ओके, कॉसची वेगळी टर्म आहे फक्त. सो लेट कॉस इनवर्स ऑफ 4 अपॉन 5 इज इक्वल टू सम थिटा. ओके, सो जी वेगळी टर्म आहे तिची आपण व्हॅल्यू पुटअप करतो आहे थिटा. सो ह्याच्यावरती जर हा कॉस इन्व्हर्स किंवा हा जो कॉस आहे कॉस इन्व्हर्स तो राईट साईडला नेला तर याच्यावरनं काय सांगता येईल 4/5 इज इक्वल टू कॉस ऑफ थिटा. सो इथं कॉस थिटाची व्हॅल्यू काय भेटली मला 4/5. ओके. सो नाऊ मी एक राईट अँगल ट्रायंगल कन्सिडर करतो. ओके. सपोज दिस इज 90 degree angle, okay, and this is angle theta. Okay, suppose this is angle theta and we know that the cos theta means adjacent side upon hypotenuse. So cos theta means adjacent side ची value 4 असणार upon that is hypotenuse is 5. So cos theta means adjacent side upon hypotenuse. Okay, so 4/5. Now we can use here Pythagoras theorem and find third value. Okay, suppose this value is x. Now use Pythagoras theorem in this right angle triangle. So we know that by using Pythagoras theorem, that is a hypotenuse square, that means 5 square, that is equal to first side square, that means x square, plus second side square, that means 4 square. 5 square is 25 and that gives x square plus 4 square. 4 square is 16. Okay, so that means this 16 is plus in right side. If we consider or if we transfer this into left side, so that becomes negative, that means 25 minus 16 is equal to x square. Okay, so that means x square is equal to 25 minus 16 is 9. So that means x is equal to 3 is there. Okay, so ह्या व्हॅल्यू किंवा ही जी साईड आहे इथचं डिस्टन्स 3 असलं पाहिजे. ओके. सो बाय दिस फिगर वी कॅन फाइंड tan theta is okay. Tan theta also. What is tan theta? Tan theta means opposite side upon tan theta means opposite side upon adjacent side. So from figure we can say the tan theta is equal to opposite side is 3 upon adjacent side means 4. So tan theta is 3/4, and if we apply inverse trigonometry, so theta is equal to tan inverse of 3/4. Okay. Also here we have take theta is equal to cos inverse 4/5, and here we have theta is equal to tan inverse 3/4. So that means cos inverse 4/5 is equal to tan inverse 3/4. So that implies cos inverse 4/5, because value of cos inverse 4/5 is theta, and also value of tan inverse 3/4 is also theta. Okay, so we can equate other sides also. That means cos inverse 4/5 is equal to tan inverse 3/5. So in given example we can put cos inverse 4/5 is equal to tan inverse 3/4. So now consider left hand side of given equation. So that is cos inverse 4/5. Cos inverse 4/5 means tan inverse 3/4. So that is equal to tan inverse 3/4 plus again tan inverse 3/5. So again tan inverse 3/5. Okay. Now tan inverse x plus tan inverse y formula. Okay, what is tan inverse x plus tan inverse y? That is tan inverse of x plus y upon 1 minus xy. So that gives tan inverse of x plus y, that means 3/4 plus 3/5 upon 1 minus xy. Xy means 3/4 into 3/5. Okay, so that gives tan inverse of, now first of all do cross multiplication here. So 5 3 the 15 plus 4 3 the 12 upon 4 into 5, that is 20. Okay, upon again here 1 minus 3 3 the 9 upon 4 5 the 20 is there. Okay, so that gives tan inverse of 15 plus 12, that means 27 upon 20. Okay, and in denominator 1 minus 9/20, that means again do cross multiplication. 20 into 1 20 20 minus 9. Okay, 9 into 1 is 9, so 20 minus 9. 20 minus 9, that means 11 upon 20 into 1 is 20. Again denominator is same both sides, so 20 20 get cancelled, and that gives tan inverse of 27 upon 11, and this is our right hand side. Okay, so we have get left hand side is same as right hand side. So therefore cos inverse of 4 by 5 plus tan inverse of 3 by 5 is equal to tan inverse of 27 upon 11. Okay, now next example, show that tan inverse 2 by 11 plus tan inverse 7 by 24, that is equal to cos inverse 2 by root 5. Again same as previous example. Okay, tan inverse x plus tan inverse y formula, but in right side we have given cos inverse. So first of all we can convert this cos inverse into tan. Okay, so for that let cos inverse of 2 upon root 5. Okay, let this term is equal to theta. Okay, and therefore we can apply here inverse trigonometry formula, that is cos of theta. Okay, that is equal to 2 upon root 5. Okay, so we have cos theta is equal to 2 upon root 5. Again we can draw the one right angle triangle is there. Okay, and suppose here angle theta. Okay, this angle is 90 degrees, so this is hypotenuse. Now here this angle is theta, and we have cos theta is equal to 2 by root 5. Cos theta means again adjacent side upon hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is root 5. Okay, so now again use Pythagoras and find this another value. Okay, so from Pythagoras theorem, root 5 square. Okay, hypotenuse square gives x square plus other side, that means 2 square. Okay, and square of root 5 is 5, that is equal to x square plus 2 square is 4 is there, so that implies x square is equal to 5 minus 4, that means 1. Okay, if x square equal to 1, then x is also equal to 1, so this other side is 1. Okay, so from figure we can find the value of tan theta. What is tan theta? Tan theta means adjacent side upon opposite side. Sorry, tan theta means opposite side upon adjacent side. So opposite side is 1 and adjacent side is what? That is 2 is there. So from figure tan theta is equal to 1 by 2, and that implies theta is equal to tan inverse of 1 by 2. So again from 1 and 2 we got the values of, okay, we got two different values of theta, so you can equate other sides also. So that implies cos inverse of 2 upon root 5 is equal to tan inverse of 1 upon 2. Okay, so now we can put tan inverse 1 by 2 instead of cos inverse 2 upon root 5 in given example. Okay, so what actually you have to prove? Tan inverse of 2 upon 11 plus tan inverse of 7 upon 24, that is equal to cos inverse of 2 upon root 5, and cos inverse of 2 upon root 5 means tan inverse of 1 upon 2. Okay, so you have to prove this statement. So consider left hand side, and that is tan inverse of 2 upon 11 plus again tan inverse of 7 upon 24, and that gives again tan inverse x plus tan inverse y formula. Okay, so here you can check x is equal to 2 upon 11 and y is equal to 7 upon 24. So multiplication of x and y, that is equal to 2 upon 11 into 7 upon 24. Okay, so here 2 12s are 24, that means what is value of xy? That is 7 into 1 7 upon 11 into 12. Okay, so you can write this as here 7 to the 14 upon 264. Okay, here 2 into 7. Okay, we have not cancelled that terms, so 2 into 7 is 14 and upon, so value of xy is 2 into 7 14 upon 11 into 24, that means 264. And if we divide of 264 by 14, that gives less than 1, that means use first formula. So tan inverse x plus tan inverse y, that is equal to tan inverse of x plus y, that means 2 upon 11 plus 7 upon 24 upon 1 minus xy. Xy means value of xy we calculated here, that is 14 upon 264 is there. Okay, so that is equal to, now tan inverse of, now do cross multiplication here. So 2 into 24, that means 48 plus 11 into 7, that means 77 upon 11 into 24, that is 264. Okay, upon, again do cross multiplication in denominator also. 264 into 1, that is 264, minus 14 into 1, that is 14 upon 264 into 1, again 264. Okay, now that gives 48 plus 77. Okay, so tan inverse of 48 plus 77, that means 125 upon, now 264 as it is, upon, also 264 minus 14, that is 250 is there, upon 264 as it is. 264 get cancelled. Now that gives tan inverse of 125 upon 250. Now you can check 125 to the 250, that means here tan inverse of 1 upon 2 remains, and this is our right hand side. Okay, how this is right hand side? Because tan inverse of 1 by 2. Okay, we have find value here. Okay, from equation star, tan inverse of 1 by 2 is cos inverse of 2 by root 5. So you can write here cos inverse of 2 upon root 5. Okay, how this? Because from equation star. Okay, hence the proof. Okay, now one homework problem for you, and that is show that cos inverse of 4 upon 5 plus again cos inverse of 12 upon 13, that is equal to again cos inverse of 33 upon 65. Okay, you can solve this problem by using above process. Now this is end of our this second unit. Okay, that is trigonometry. Now in next video lecture we are going to take next unit. Okay, that is coordinate geometry. Thank you.